Taking action online, that's what it takes to make a good business. And this program, this membership site that I'm on now, is all about taking action online. So that's what I'm going to give you a quick run through, show you what this is all about. And if you're struggling at all with your business, then perhaps sometimes it's time to go back to basics, make sure you've covered all the bases, and this membership site will help you do that and keep you accountable. So okay, we'll just have a quick look inside now, shall we? So as you can see, taking action, we've got strategies, action plan content, webinars, case studies, and a coaching group. But if you start right at the beginning, getting started, okay, 9 lessons in here, and if I just show you the type of tutorials that we've got here, you'll get a good idea of what how the whole course is structured. Here's Philip Borroman, who is a wonderful teacher, ex-baker, and former baker and bar manager. But you can see these are the training steps as you go down through. Just won't read out all the names, and then once you go through, you'll go to the next step, which is a little reality check, if you like, after you go through each little stage. So you've got the getting started, the roadmap, and the action plan walkthrough. And then he says here, stop, regroup, and then he talks you a little bit through, have you done this, have you checked that, a little recap. And then you start on the actual steps, 1 through to, all the way through to step 20. Okay, there's step 20, and a final regroup. If you're a gold member on this site, you'll see these extra trainings. Not absolutely vital, but obviously depending on what stage in your online journey you're at, you'll want to have a look into those. But if you're at the very beginning, you just want the basic, well, I say basic, it's very, very thorough, but get started, take your time, go through each step, build your foundations, and then carry on from there. Start developing your business, and then before you get to the advanced strategies. You can't run before you can walk. But I thoroughly recommend Philip's course here, Taking Action Online. Check it out, and if you like this video, share it and consider subscribing to my channel, where I'll give you some more tips another day. I'm Kirwan, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye now. Bye-bye.